Let's get one thing straight. Turning 40 doesn't mean you're doomed to a slow metabolism, endless frustration, or a lifetime of bland salads and boring meals. In fact, this chapter is all about breaking that myth and showing you how to take back control of your health, your energy, and your waistline, no matter how busy your life gets or how many times you've tried before. I get it, you're busy, juggling work deadlines, family commitments, and maybe even caring for aging parents. Healthy eating can feel impossible, like just another thing on your never-ending to-do list. The truth is, most of us over 40 are pulled in a dozen directions every day, and it's easy to put our own health on the back burner. But what if I told you that eating well doesn't have to be complicated, time-consuming, or bland? In the time it takes to scroll through your phone or answer a few emails, you could actually whip up something delicious, satisfying, and genuinely good for you. Imagine transforming those little pockets of time into opportunities to nourish your body and boost your energy, instead of reaching for takeout or skipping meals altogether. Today, I'm sharing my personal playbook, 7 restaurant-quality meals you can make in just 10 minutes. These aren't just quick fixes, they're flavorful, satisfying, and designed specifically for busy adults over 40 who want real results without sacrificing taste or time. These aren't just recipes, they're your new secret weapons for unlocking more energy, building confidence, and jump-starting a faster metabolism. Each meal is packed with nutrients to help you feel fuller longer, keep cravings at bay, and support your body's natural fat-burning power. We're talking about smart, strategic cooking, simple techniques and clever ingredient swaps that help you shed pounds, feel great, and actually look forward to mealtime. No more bland chicken and steamed broccoli unless you want it. So sharpen your knives, clear your counters, and get ready to rediscover the joy of cooking. You don't need fancy equipment or hours in the kitchen, just a willingness to try something new and a few simple ingredients. If you're over 40, busy, and tired of slow results or feeling stuck, this video is made for you. It's time to break free from old habits, ditch the diet frustration, and start seeing real changes, one delicious meal at a time. Let's get cooking and make this your healthiest, most vibrant decade yet. 7 10-minute meals to boost your metabolism, help you lose weight, and bring excitement back to your kitchen without stress, without boring food, and without sacrificing your precious time. Let's dive in. First up, we're making a lemon herb chicken and spinach power bowl, a dish that's as quick to prepare as it is elegant to serve. This is the kind of meal that feels special, but is simple enough for any night of the week. Whether you're cooking for yourself or sharing with loved ones, it's a recipe that brings both flavor and nutrition to the table. After 40, your body's needs change, and lean protein becomes your best friend. It's not just about building muscle, though that's important, since muscle mass naturally declines with age. Protein also helps you feel fuller for longer, supports your metabolism, and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. Choosing high-quality protein sources like chicken breast is a smart move for anyone looking to stay strong and active. For this recipe, start with thin-cut chicken breast. It cooks quickly and stays juicy. Season both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, dried oregano, and a sprinkle of garlic powder. These classic herbs and spices not only add flavor, but also bring out the natural taste of the chicken. If you like a little extra kick, try adding a pinch of chili flakes or smoked paprika. Heat a skillet over medium-high and add a drizzle of olive oil. When the oil shimmers, lay the chicken in the pan. Sear each side until golden brown, about 3 minutes per side. The aroma of the herbs will fill your kitchen, making it feel like a Mediterranean bistro. Don't rush this step. A good sear locks in the juices and creates that irresistible flavor. While the chicken rests, turn your attention to the greens. Pile a generous handful of fresh baby spinach into a large bowl. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, rich in iron, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants that support your immune system and eye health. It's the perfect base for a meal that's both light and satisfying. Now, don't let those flavorful brown bits in the pan go to waste. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon directly into the hot skillet. Use a wooden spoon to scrape up all the caramelized bits. This is where the magic happens. The lemon juice lifts the flavors off the pan, creating a quick, zesty sauce that's bright and refreshing. Pour this warm, tangy sauce right over the bed of spinach. The heat from the sauce gently wilts the leaves, infusing them with flavor and making them tender without losing their vibrant color. It's a simple trick that transforms raw greens into something special. Slice the rested chicken breast into thin, juicy strips. Arrange them, artfully, on top of the spinach, letting the juices mingle with the greens and sauce. This not only looks beautiful, but ensures every bite is packed with flavor and nutrition. Finish your bowl with a shower of freshly chopped herbs. Think parsley, basil, or dill, and another squeeze of lemon for brightness. These finishing touches add freshness, color, and a burst of flavor that wakes up the whole dish. What you have now is a meal that's high in protein, low in carbs, and absolutely packed with vitamins and minerals. It's designed to fuel your body, support your health, and keep you feeling satisfied without weighing you down. Best of all, this entire meal comes together in less than 10 minutes, faster than waiting for takeout, and so much better for you. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With just one pan, a handful of fresh ingredients, and a few simple steps, you've created a dish that's both nourishing and delicious. This is what smart, efficient cooking looks like. Minimal cleanup, maximum flavor. No stress, no fuss, just honest, beautiful food that you can feel good about eating. Meals like this make healthy living enjoyable and sustainable. That's how you take control of your health after 40, one delicious, empowering meal at a time. First dish, done. Let's keep going. Next, let's upgrade a classic, avocado egg toast with chili crunch. Healthy fats from avocado are crucial for hormone balance and steady energy. Use a thick slice of whole grain or rye bread. Toast until golden. Smash half an avocado with lemon juice, salt, and pepper for texture. Fry an egg to your liking. Runny yolk is best for richness. Spread avocado on toast, top with the egg. Finish with a spoonful of chili crunch for heat and texture. This meal combines healthy fats, protein, fiber, and flavor. It keeps you full, stabilizes blood sugar, and kills cravings. Fast, delicious, and healthy, you can have it all. Lunchtime can be a minefield, especially when you want something quick, healthy, and satisfying. But this warm tuna and white bean salad is your secret weapon, a dish that's as nourishing as it is delicious and comes together in minutes. Whether you're working from home, heading back to the office, or just need a midday boost, this salad is about to become your go-to. Start with canned cannellini beans. They're a pantry staple packed with fiber and plant-based protein to keep you full and energized. Give them a good rinse and drain to remove excess sodium and any canning liquid, leaving you with clean, creamy beans that are ready to soak up flavor. Next, reach for a jar or can of high-quality oil-packed tuna. The olive oil not only preserves the tuna's rich flavor, but also delivers heart-healthy omega-3s. Look for tuna that's sustainably sourced for the best taste and peace of mind. Here's a pro tip. Don't drain away all that flavorful oil. Instead, reserve it. It's liquid gold that will form the base of your salad dressing, infusing every bite with savory depth and richness. For texture and brightness, chop up some red onion, juicy cherry tomatoes, and crisp celery. These veggies add crunch, color, and a burst of freshness that balances the creamy beans and savory tuna. Gently warm the tuna with its oil and a generous squeeze of lemon juice in a skillet. You don't want to cook it. Just heat it enough to take the chill off and let the flavors meld. The lemon brightens everything, making the salad taste vibrant and light. Pour the warm tuna mixture over your bowl of beans and chopped veggies. The gentle heat softens the beans and vegetables just enough, helping all the flavors come together into a harmonious, satisfying salad. Right before serving, toss in a handful of fresh arugula. Its peppery bite adds a lively kick and a pop of green, making the salad feel even more special and restaurant-worthy. Taste your salad and adjust the seasoning with a little more lemon juice or freshly ground black pepper. This final step lets you customize the flavors to your liking, ensuring every bite is just right. What you end up with is a sophisticated, protein-packed lunch that's both comforting and energizing. It's perfect for powering you through a busy afternoon, whether you're at your desk or enjoying a quiet moment at home. Best of all, this is assembly, not chefing, no fancy skills required. With minimal cooking and maximum flavor, this warm tuna and white bean salad is the ultimate lunch for anyone who wants to eat well, feel great, and keep things simple. Eggs are the gold standard for protein, affordable, fast, and filling. This veggie omelet wrap replaces a carb-heavy tortilla with a protein-rich omelet. Whisk 2 or 3 eggs until frothy, season well. Sauté chopped bell peppers, onion, and spinach in a non-stick pan. Pour eggs over veggies, swirl to cover, and cook until set. Add a sprinkle of cheese if you like. Roll the omelet up in the pan to create a wrap. Slice and serve. A grain-free, high-protein, low-carb meal. It's filling, energizing, and keeps your metabolism firing. Snacking is where most diets go off the rails. This Greek yogurt savory bowl is your new go-to. Use full-fat, plain Greek yogurt for creaminess and satiety. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Top with chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and Kalamata olives. Add toasted walnuts or almonds for crunch and healthy fats. Finish with fresh herbs like dill or parsley. In 5 minutes, you have a protein-packed, satisfying snack. It crushes cravings and keeps you in control. As we age, digestion slows. Warm, cooked foods help. This 10-minute metabolism boost soup is light, hydrating, and satisfying. Sauté garlic and ginger in olive oil for flavor and a metabolic kick. Add low-sodium chicken or veggie broth and bring to a simmer. Drop in pre-cooked shredded chicken for protein. Add shredded cabbage, grated carrot, and frozen peas. These cook in minutes. Boost flavor with soy sauce, lime juice, and a dash of sriracha. Simmer briefly, then ladle into a bowl. Garnish with cilantro or spring onions. A vibrant, protein and fiber-rich soup in under 10 minutes. Mornings are chaos, but this protein berry smoothie is your savior. The formula: protein, fiber, healthy fat, and greens. Use protein powder or Greek yogurt as your base. Add frozen berries for antioxidants and fiber. Include almond butter, avocado, or chia seeds for healthy fat. Toss in a handful of spinach. You won't taste it, but you'll get the benefits. Add unsweetened almond milk or water for blending. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour and go. A complete balanced breakfast in 2 minutes. No more excuses for skipping breakfast. There you have it. 7 fast, powerful meals to take back control of your health and waistline. You don't need to starve or spend hours in the kitchen. Just 10 minutes and smart choices. These recipes are a new mindset. Protein, healthy fats, and fiber are your allies. Healthy eating is self-respect, not punishment. Pick one recipe and try it this week. See how easy and good it feels. Every meal is a step forward. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast, healthy meal ideas. Now, get in the kitchen and make it happen.